Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's beautiful day. I'm on my way to car wash and then we have photo shoot later. Photo shoot or video shoot, not sure yet, so we'll see when I get there. So I guess we're gonna meet here at the car wash. So the Mike is in the bay right now washing his car, and the boy is gonna come in a second, and I think one more guy will be in the M4. Look at this monster truck. What, the dry is not working?
It doesn't do a very good job, but no, not usually.
It's too wet, man. It's a lot of work.
No,
that's a nice towel, though.
To change my subscription, that's how little the dryer worked on this car.
I don't know. It works for me. I need to change my tints.
I don't know if I like it.
I like on the pictures.
Yeah. I just miss that you can't really see like the laser light.
Here's a car note. Are you gonna communicate through the radio? Yeah, motherfuckers. It's at home. How's it going? Good.
How are you?
Car's looking clean,
Dried. Good to go.
Getting ready for you, man. Good to you. You need a parachute.
parachute.
Who's making noise? You?
Put it on this thing and we're good to go.
Getting serious. So where's this going? Right here?
Yeah, so he can just drive. Yeah.
At least you stay with the car. I'm nervous now. When I see this camera.
Don't be nervous, bro. It's all gonna be good.
Goes to the mic.
So GoPro to start recording.
Okay.
It's on the top.
Yeah. Do you have a walkie-talkie?
No, I don't.
Oh, go grab it. Check.
Can you hear us? Yeah, I can hear you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you guys can hear me good? Yep, we can hear you.
Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. It's gonna be interesting. A lot of cameras involved. I hope the GoPro on my back of my car won't fall off. Oh, do you see that Maserati?
We got this shit.
Alright, let's go.
Close back up because we're about to go by a police station. Yeah, with the automatic door, that's nice. Just have the Huey up here and drive back down. So if you guys want to get behind me. Okay.
Can you stop that GoPro, please?
GoPro, stop!
Just hit the button again. I'm gonna film you and Michael now,
Mm-hmm.
and have him drive.
Okay. How was it? Like, overall?
Good.
It's alright?
The main thing for me is just that I'm testing how far this lens is. Constantly trying to figure out where to have you, because a lot of times when you're like right here, all I really get is like
too close.
The front quarter, kind of.
Yeah.
So which X6 am I driving?
You're driving this X6 right here.
See right now?
Much better. Alright, Boyan, where do we want to be?
I have love, a world can satisfy me. I have
Alright, now you do the same thing.
In front of you?
Yep, in front. Alright, I'll go in front of you and then you go left, like replace me.
There's a car, wait first. I'll come up from behind you.
You can go in front. We turned around at that light, if you're wondering.
What happened?
My trunk wouldn't close. That's okay. My trunk wouldn't close because of the GoPro.
Wouldn't close.
Yeah. So like I told you guys I was good, and then I look back, my trunk's still open.
Did it scratch yours? Everything's still alive, so we're still alive.
So how was it?
I think it was good. On the way back, I was taking pictures, so it's hard to choreograph everything, you know, like.
Right.
Next time, I think maybe we try it on like 470.
On the freeway?
Yeah. Just because we can be going a little bit faster.
And with
40
more-
was still a bit slow.
More cars?
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this was great. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
No, thank you.
Can't even see them. They're really nice.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna put the GoPro on the back of the Subi, and then which way is highway, Michael?
I think this way. No, this way.
Okay, sounds good. So we'll just cruise kind of like that, and I'll toss the GoPro on the back, and you guys can do something.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Oh, it's yours.
See you guys.
Yep.
Mike, good to see you.
Hi, Mike.
All right.
Yep.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Have a good night, guys. Alright, that's it. Time to go. I need to go to the gym.